Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. If you're a fan of hitting the open road and bringing the comforts of home along with you, this camper might just be your perfect ride. Let's start with its key feature: space. The 2025 Toyota Camper is designed to maximize room for both living and storage without compromising on drivability. It boasts a spacious interior, comfortably fitting a family of 4. The layout includes a well-equipped kitchenette with a stove, sink, and even a small refrigerator, ideal for prepping meals on the go. Plus, there's a cozy lounge area that converts into a sleeping space, making it a true home away from home. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped this camper with a fuel-efficient hybrid engine, giving it a significant edge in the motorhome market. Not only does this reduce fuel stops, but it also makes the vehicle more eco-friendly. Toyota claims the 2025 camper achieves better mileage than most other campers of its size, meaning longer journeys without the frequent stops for refueling. It's designed for highway cruising with impressive stability and handling, making it easier to navigate through both city streets and rugged terrain. When it comes to design, the 2025 Toyota camper blends functionality with style. The exterior is compact yet rugged, with sleek lines and durable materials built to withstand a variety of weather conditions. Its compact build ensures it can fit into standard parking spaces, a massive plus for any camper owner. Inside, the minimalist aesthetic is all about functionality: clean lines, smart storage solutions, and easy-to-clean surfaces. The windows are large, flooding the space with natural light and providing great views of the outdoors. One standout feature is the camper's advanced infotainment system, including a large touchscreen interface that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with navigation tailored for camper routes. It also comes with Toyota's safety suite, packed with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, ensuring you and your loved ones are safe on every adventure. And for those wondering, the starting price for the 2025 Toyota Camper is around $45,000, quite competitive for the market, especially with Toyota's reputation for durability. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Insider. Remember, every day we'll be sharing something new about this camper to keep you informed and excited. Don't miss out on our next review where we'll dive into another unique vehicle.